AI is about to change how we work, forever. Microsoft just unveiled self-governing AI agents, and they're designed to take over tedious tasks, streamline workflows, and boost efficiency like never before. This isn't just another tech update. This is a complete shift in how businesses operate. And with a public preview on the way, companies are about to experience firsthand what it's like to have AI-powered assistants handling the heavy lifting. Microsoft is introducing 10 self-governing AI agents, each designed to handle different aspects of business operations, from sales and finance to customer service and supply chain management. But here's the big difference. These agents don't just respond to commands. They act independently, analyze real-time data, and make decisions without human input. Think of them as virtual employees that work 24/7, don't take breaks, and are always focused on efficiency. And because they're built into Microsoft's Copilot platform, businesses can easily integrate them into their existing systems. Companies already using Microsoft's AI tools have seen game-changing results. Take Lumen Technologies. They estimate they'll save around $50 million a year by automating repetitive processes. Honeywell saw efficiency gains equal to hiring nearly 200 full-time employees without adding anyone to the payroll. And at Finastra, a project that used to take 7 months now only takes 7 weeks. Microsoft is also making these tools more accessible. Copilot Studio allows businesses to customize AI agents without needing to write a single line of code. That means any company, tech-savvy or not, can start automating tasks right away. These AI agents are built to handle the behind-the-scenes work, freeing up human teams to focus on bigger priorities. Some examples include Sales Assistant Agent analyzes leads, prioritizes prospects, drafts emails, and automates outreach so sales teams can focus on closing deals instead of sorting through endless contacts. Supplier Management Agent monitors supplier performance, detects delays, and automatically takes action to keep the supply chain running smoothly. Customer Service Agent learns over time how to resolve customer issues faster and more efficiently, leading to happier customers and shorter response times. Companies that have already jumped on board are seeing major improvements. McKinsey & Company, Clifford Chance, and Pets at Home are some of the early adopters, each reporting better efficiency and cost savings. For example, McKinsey cut onboarding time by 90%, while Pets at Home built an AI agent to prevent fraud, potentially saving them millions per year. Over at Thomson Reuters, AI-powered legal research tools now complete tasks twice as fast, boosting both client satisfaction and revenue. This is more than just a software update. It's a shift in how businesses operate. Instead of manually handling repetitive tasks, companies are adopting AI-first models, allowing AI agents to take over routine work while human employees focus on strategy and growth. And Microsoft isn't just selling these tools, they're using them internally too. And the results? 99.4% increase in revenue per salesperson, 20% more deals closed, 21.5% boost in conversion rates on Azure.com, 12% faster customer service case resolution, 42% improvement in HR support accuracy. These numbers prove one thing. AI isn't just helpful, it's a game changer. Microsoft isn't the only player in this space. NVIDIA, Oracle, and Google are all developing their own self-governing AI agents, racing to lead the next wave of AI-powered business solutions. Experts believe AI agents will soon become as essential as computers and the internet, helping businesses move faster, smarter, and more efficiently. While there's still work to be done, the progress is clear. AI-driven automation is the future of business. Companies that adopt these technologies early will gain a massive competitive advantage, cutting costs, boosting productivity, and scaling faster than ever before. Those that hesitate, they risk getting left behind. AI agents are here, they're working, and they're already transforming businesses. If you want to stay ahead in today's fast-changing world, this is something to watch closely. That's it for today's breakdown of Microsoft's self-governing AI agents. If you found this, check out the next video so you don't miss the latest AI updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.